Hello everyone, this is Eagle Sci Tech and today I'm going to show you how to add music to your YouTube videos with the help of YouTube editor. So let's get into it. Go to YouTube and click this profile icon and go to YouTube Studio. Then click videos, and now to edit a video, to give a music, just click this icon beside the video and over here click editor. So this is YouTube video editor. You can add end screen, as I have already added end screen. It's over here. You can add blur. You can also trim your videos, and you can obviously add music. Now to add music, click this button and click plus audio. So this is a YouTube audio library, and you can search your tracks. You can search by title, artist, whatever you like, or you can just search from genre, mood, something like that, and you can choose from that. You should also keep in mind the duration, because in YouTube video editor you can only use a single audio. You cannot add multiple audios or use the same audio multiple times. So this is one drawback, and there are many drawbacks of this YouTube video editor. You should use this YouTube video editor when you have a copyright of any music you have used and this video has gained some views. Now you have to replace that audio. You can do this over here, or you have forgotten to add your music when you're post editing with the softwares like Windows Movie Maker or Movie Video Editor or Adobe Premiere. So when you have forgotten over here, you can add it over here. So because it has some limitations, for example, the duration. You cannot find the preferred music with the same duration of your videos. You cannot add multiple audios. You cannot add the same audio twice. So these are the limitations. So what you'll do is this, how you'll add is just click the add to video. Okay, it has started playing, as you can see. So you can see over here, you can trim it down, or you can also trim it over here from here. And the most important thing is the audio saturation. Now if you have a voice in your video, then you should favor the original audio like this. If you don't have a voice and you have only the video, you can favor the music, or you can give it in the middle, but I prefer it to be in the favor original audio like this. Hello everyone, welcome back. So it's more preferred by me, so you can do that, and then after doing that you can click save changes. It may take some time to save. Click save. I'm redirect to my channel videos, and it will take some time to process. So what I have mentioned already is that it's important that you edit your audio before posting it in YouTube, because you can do that in your original video editor like Movie and Windows Movie Maker or the Premiere. You can do that better in there, because it has YouTube video editor has a lot of limitations, and I have mentioned already that the limitations are the duration of the audio. Your preferred audio may not be of the same duration. You may find some audios which have lengthy duration, but you may not like it. You cannot use multiple audios, you cannot use the same audio twice. So I really don't prefer YouTube video editor, but sometimes I get a copyright claim of some music, then I have to use the YouTube video editor for adding music. Or if my voice quality was not good, if I had some background noise, then also I had to use background music, so I had to use YouTube video editor to add the music. So these were some of the cases. So my recommendation, edit it before you publish the video and double check the video before publishing. The video processing is done. Now I'll show you how it sounds. So let's play. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Eagle Sci Tech, and today I'm going to show you. So you can hear that the music, the background music is low volume and my voice is high volume, so I have favored my original audio. If I had favored the music, you could only hear the music but not the voice. If I have kept it in the middle, it would have been chaos. So I just favored original audio and I added it and I saved. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So I really hope this video helped. If it did, please give a thumbs up, it means a lot. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.